Guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Friday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some 5 off $25 scenarios to go over for this Saturday, August the 27th at Dollar General. And in this video, I have a total of 6 amazing deals to share with y'all. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help support this channel. And while you're at it, don't forget to leave your smiley face emoji down in the comment section below because I am absolutely loving seeing y'all's smiles every single day. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, let's go ahead and jump right in. Now, while you guys are leaving your smiling faces down in the comment section below, I'm going to go ahead and let you all know that I did upload 2 awesome Dollar General couponing videos this week. One is a complete glitch list. We have a total of 17 glitches going on right now at Dollar General. So if you guys need some substitutions for your 5 off $25 scenarios, that is definitely a video that you need to go and check out. Now, yesterday we have a new run glitch going on at Dollar General, and I did make a video going over everything that y'all need to know about that glitch. So if you missed that video, definitely go and check out that one as well, and both of these videos will be linked in the pinned comment down below. Alright, now if you haven't left that smile for me down in the comment section, go ahead and do that right now because I'm going to go over a few Dollar General couponing tips. So, for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are a one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time because they are simply just that. They are a glitch in the system. So, it is very important when you are in the store to scan. You want to scan each and every item to make sure that the digital coupons do attach, and also you want to scan each item to price check because prices can vary from store to store. Now, our first couple of deals are going to be gain scenarios, and y'all already know it is so important to scan with gain deals because you want to make sure that that gain DG store coupon shows up underneath each and every gain or gain scented product that you want to purchase because the gain DG store coupon does not always work with all gain products or all gain scented products. All right, so scan. Now, has everybody left their smiles down in the comments for me yet? Huh? Everybody ready? All right, let's go ahead and jump into these deals. Alright, now for this first gain scenario, this is for all of my people out there who have those exclusive gain coupons on your account. So for this one, you want to pick up one of the gain liquid laundry detergents at $7.50, one of the gain fireworks at $7.50, and one of the gain dryer sheets at $7.50. Then you want to throw in 3 of the Craz-E Scope toothpaste at $1 each, and that's going to put your subtotal at $25.50. Alright, and here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25 DG store coupon, your 5 off 20 gain DG store coupon, the $2.50 off 1 gain laundry detergent, $2.50 off 1 gain scent beads, $2.50 off 1 gain dryer sheets, the 2 off 1 Crest toothpaste, and the 3 off 2 Crest and Oral-B products. Your subtotal after coupons will be just $3 for all 6 items, making each one just 50 cents each. Alright guys, now really quick, I'm going to go ahead and let you all know that I have included 3 of the Craz-E Scope toothpaste in these deals that we're about to go over. Now, with that being said, y'all keep in mind that if you can't find 3 of the Craz-E Scope toothpaste, don't worry about it because those 2 coupons are working with other products. Now, if you're not sure which other products are working with which coupons, make sure that you go back and check out the glitch list video. And like I said, the link for that video is in the pinned comment down below. So you can definitely mix and match and make it work and take advantage of that overage while we still have those coupons available. Now, for all of my people out there who have already used up your Crest and Oral-B coupons, don't worry about it because on some of these deals, I just threw it in there as an extra item to take advantage of the overages. Just make sure that your subtotal is $25 before any coupons are applied, all right? Now, if you need some substitutions, like I said at the beginning of the video, go and check out that glitch list. We have 17 coupons that are glitching right now, so definitely go and check that out because you can still get a super low out-of-pocket deal even without the Crest and Oral-B products. Alright, now jumping back into the deals, here is a gain scenario for all of my people out there who did not receive any exclusive coupons. So for this deal, you want to pick up one of the gain laundry products priced at $7.50. You can choose from the liquid, the flings, the scent boosters, the dryer sheets, whatever. Make sure it's priced at $7.50. Then pick up one of the Febreze gain scented small spaces at $3.25, one of the Febreze gain scented car clips 2 count at $5.50, one of the Swiffer gain scented duster starter kits at $5, one of the gain laundry products for $1 found in the dollar aisle. You can choose from the laundry detergent, the fabric softener, they have dish soap, and dryer sheets. Then throw in 3 of the Craz-E Scope toothpaste at $1 each, and that's going to put your subtotal at $25.25. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25 and your 5 off 20 gain. Then you're going to need a 2 off 1 gain laundry product, the $2.30 off one for Breeze Small Spaces, the $2.30 off one for Breeze Car Clips, the 1 off 1 Swiffer product, the 2 off 1 Crest, and the 3 off 2 Crest and Oral-B. That's going to bring your subtotal to $2.65 for all 8 items, making each one just 33 cents each. Now, how awesome is that? Alright, so for our next deal, you want to pick up one of the Arm & Hammer liquid laundry detergents at $6.35. 2 of the Arm & Hammer laundry products priced at $4.25, and you can choose from the liquid, the pods, the scent beads, or the dryer sheets. Then you want to pick up the Arm & Hammer carpet odor eliminators priced at $2.25. 1 of the Bounty 1-count paper towels at $1. 2 of the Planters mixed nuts priced at $5.75 each, and 3 of the Crest with Scope toothpaste priced at $1 each. And that's going to put your subtotal at $32.60. Now, we have 2 instant savings that are coming off with this scenario. We have the Arm & Hammer instant savings for when you spend $15 on Arm & Hammer products, you're going to instantly save $5 at the register. And then we have the Planters Nuts instant savings for when you spend $10 on Planters Nuts, you're going to instantly save $2 at the register. So we have $7 coming off in instant savings, and that's going to bring your new subtotal down to $25.60. Now, here is your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 1 off 1 Arm & Hammer laundry detergent, the 150 off 1 Arm & Hammer laundry product, another 150 off 1 Arm & Hammer laundry product, the 25-cent off 1 Bounty paper towels, the buy one get one free on the Planters Nuts, the 2 off 1 Crest, and the 3 off 2 Crest and Oral-B. That's going to bring your subtotal down to $5.60 for all 10 items, making each one just 56 cents each. Alright, now moving right along into our next scenario, you want to pick up 2 of the Angel Soft 8-count Mega Rolls priced at $5.95 each, 2 of the Planters Mixed Nuts priced at $5.75 each, 2 of the Tresemme hair mask priced at $2 each, and 3 of the Crest with Scope toothpaste priced at $1 each. That's going to bring your subtotal to $30.40. You're going to have the $2 in instant savings for the Planters instant savings deal coming off first at the register, and that's going to bring your new subtotal down to $28.40. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, 2 of the 1 off 1 Angel Soft bath tissue, the buy one get one free planters, the 3 off 2 Tresemme, the 2 off 1 Crest, and the 3 off 2 Crest and Oral-B products. That's going to bring your subtotal after coupons down to $7.65 for all 9 items. But hold on, this deal gets even better because right now on Ibotta we have a $1 rebate back on the Angel Soft bath tissue. So you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta and get $2 back. That's going to make your final price $5.65 for all 9 items, making each one just 62 cents each. Alright, so for our next deal, we have a little food deal. So for this one, you want to pick up 2 of the Planters cashews priced at $6 each, 3 of the Post cereals priced at $3.45 each, 2 of the Lay's, Doritos, Cheetos, or Sun Chips. Those are on sale right now, 2 for $6. 1 of the Pepsi, Mountain Dew, or Crush 1.25 liters at $1.25, and 3 of the Crest with Scope toothpaste priced at $1 each. And that is going to bring your subtotal to $32.60. Now, in this deal, we also have 2 more instant savings deals that are included. So we have the Planters instant savings for $2, and then we also have instant savings on Post cereal this week for when you purchase 3, you're going to instantly save $3 at the register. So that's going to bring your new subtotal down to $27.60. Alright, now here is your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the buy one, get one free planters, 2 of the 1 off 1 Post cereal, the 3 off 2 Pepsi and Lay's products, the 2 off 1 Crest toothpaste, and the 3 off 2 Crest and Oral-B products. That's going to bring your subtotal after coupons all the way down to $6.60 for 11 items, making each one just 60 cents each. Alright guys, so for our next scenario, this is very, very important that y'all pay attention. So this deal is going to be a self-checkout scenario only because we are going to be including the Suave glitch, alright? So, for this one, you want to pick up 2 of the Suave body washes priced at $3.35 each. If you cannot find the body wash, you guys should already know we have other Suave products that are working with this glitch. And like I said, go back and check out the glitch list video. Link is in the pinned comment down below. Alright, next up, you want to pick up 2 of the Tresemme hair masks priced at $2 each, 1 of the Shea Moisture black soaps at $6, 2 of the Kotex security pads at $3.65 each, and 1 of the Febreze small spaces at $3.25. That's going to put your subtotal at $27.25. All right, now here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, 2 of the 2 off 6 Swab DG Store coupons, the 2 off 6 Swab Men's DG Store coupon, the 3 off 2 Tresemme, the $3.50 off 1 Shea Moisture, the 4 off 2 Kotex, and the $2.30 off 1 Febreze Small Spaces. That's going to bring your subtotal after coupons all the way down to $2.45 for all 8 items, making each one just 30 cents each. Alright guys, so there you have it, 6 scenarios in under 10 minutes. And before you guys go, I just want to say thank you all so very much for leaving all of your smiling faces in the comments section down below and also on yesterday's video. Here's a little behind the scenes look of just how important you are to this channel and the power that you hold with just one little click of your finger. So thanks to everyone who left a smiling face in the comments of yesterday's video, because with your help, that video's views are up by 11%, and it's pushing it out into the YouTube algorithm even further, and YouTube is now recommending it to new couponers. So thank you guys so very much. You guys don't even know how much that means to me, and it truly does brighten my day. I get to open up my YouTube app, and I see all of those smiling faces, and it really does. It makes me feel like, hey, these people really do care, and they are here to support. So thank you guys so very much. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now, but make sure that y'all stick around because I do have a PNG insert giveaway coming up, so y'all definitely don't want to miss out on that. Now, before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so, and don't forget to turn on those notifications so that you don't miss out on any awesome deals. While you're at it, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button for me because it's a free way and an easy way that you can help support this channel. Make sure that you leave a smiling face in the comment section down below and take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have an amazing day, and I will see you on the next one.